So now we will study one more function of mathematical class, Java class, that is math.round. If you know what is round, round means to round off a number. Okay? Supposingly if it is 7.4, then round will be 7. If it is 7.6, then round will be 8. If it is 8.5, then the round will be 9. Right? So if you want such kind of operations to be done, then you will use which function? You will use the round function. So what is the task of round function? The round function is used to return the value in rounded form. So I hope so this concept is clear to you, that what is a round off value of a number. So if you have to take out such things in Java in any program, then you will use a simple function, that is math.round function. Now what does this function takes as input? It takes only one argument as input, only one argument, the number for which you have to calculate the round off value. And what it returns? It returns the rounded value. It returns the rounded value as the output. If you have entered 7.4, the output will be 7. If you have entered 7.6, the output will be 8. If you have entered 8.5, the output will be 9. Okay, now what is the return type? The return type of math.round is always int. ठीक है, ये क्या वैल्यू टाइप रिटर्न करता है? द रिटर्न टाइप इज इंट. सो नाउ दिस इज द सिंटेक्स ऑफ यूजिंग the round function. If you can see, so what is this? This is the return type. What is this variable? This is the catching variable. What is this? This is the class. And what is this? This is the function name. And what is variable? This is the argument, or you can say input. So this is the way how you will use a math.round function. If example I take, you write down math.round 8.0. So the output will be, I have said always it will be int. So the output will be what? 8. If you write math.round 8.49, so what will be the output? The output will be again 8, because it is less than 8.5. अगर ये 8.5 से ज़्यादा होता, then it would have become 9, but it is less than 8.5, that is why it has become 8. This concept is clear. Now if you have written math.round 8.9, then the output will be what? 9. So I hope so this is clear to you. The return type is always integer. The return type is always integer. It takes only one argument as input. It returns a rounded value as output, and it is used to calculate, or it is used to return the value in a rounded form. Okay, so this is a very simple function of math class, that is math.round function. Last function that we will study under the mathematical library class is math.random. This is a very simplest method of mathematical class. It is just used to print a random value. Between 0 and 1. You just have to mention the class math dot function name, that is random, open and close brackets, and you will get an output as any random number between 0 to 1, and it will always be in double type. मतलब ये fractional value return करता है. So input इसमें क्या होता है? No input. There is no input. You have to pass no argument. You see this is blank. There is no argument as input. तो इसमें input नहीं होता है. You just write the return type. Then you write the catching variable. Then you write the class name, and then you write the method name or the function name. Only you write this, and what it returned? It returns any random value between 0 and 1, but that random value will be of what type? It will be of double type, मतलब fractional value return करेगा. ठीक है? So for example, if I have written double a is equals to math डॉट रैंडम. ठीक, math डॉट रैंडम. अगर आपने ऐसे लिखा, सो मे बी आई एम जस्ट प्रिटेंडिंग डेट मे बी ए में वैल्यू आ जाए 0.8235, something like this. Anything, this value can be anything in a range between 0 to 1. Is this clear? So this is the simplest function of the math class, that is math.random. It takes nothing as input, no input, if you can see, returns the random number between 0 and 1 always, and always the return type is double, because आप खुद ही सोचिए 0 से 1 के बीच में there will be fractional numbers only, है ना, कोई इंटीजर नहीं होगा. 0 और 1 दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में देयर विल बी फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यूज. सो दैट फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यूज आर स्टोर्ड इन विच काइंड ऑफ डेटा टाइप? डबल. सो द रिटर्न टाइप इज double. It returns a random number between 0 and 1. I hope so this is clear. Okay.